"This is the way remodeling should be," is a statement that best sums up the way our clients feel about Design Build Dwell's reimagined remodeling process. This reimagined process eliminates the negative aspects that have become the norm in the remodeling industry for years. So, no more having projects taking months longer than originally planned. No more of having costs that far exceed the quote that you were given originally. And best of all, no more adversarial relationships with your contractor. This reimagined remodeling process has easy to understand concepts like ECAP and LEAPI. These concepts help you break things down to their simplest form, making them easy to understand and implement. This reimagined path is basically a fresh look at one of the oldest professions around, and a reminder that remodeling is extremely personal. If you're looking to remodel, then you're about to ask people to help you with one of the most personal interactions you'll ever have. There is nothing more vulnerable than inviting people into your home to then have them tear it apart and rebuild the one place in your life that provides privacy, security, and a sense of belonging for you, your family, and all your possessions. Because this is a reimagining of the remodeling process, Design Build Dwell has developed this webpage as an educational tool to introduce you to our client-friendly practices. We invite you to ease into this new way of thinking by starting off with the contents presented on this homepage. From there, you can visit our Learning Hub page for more in-depth information about how remodeling should be for you. So, no more quick bids, no more hastily signed agreements. You will see how to slow things down and to get to know your design build team's trustworthiness. It's a much more realistic approach to a positive remodeling experience. Design Build Dwell's proven approach begins with relationships, because this is the way remodeling should be.